This is how we do turkey at our house for Thanksgiving. This is a Creole style of cranberry turkey with a cranberry glaze. You can tell that it's very juicy and tender. This recipe calls for a brine, which is important so that the turkey comes out juicy. Start with salt, brown sugar, warm water. Give that a mix to dissolve the sugar and salt. Then add the remaining ingredients and place the turkey in a brine for 24 hours. Then you're going to remove and allow the water to drain off. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Place in a baking dish with some EVOO as a binder and season with your favorite Creole seasoning. I'm using Tonys. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees, covered in foil until the internal temperature reaches 145, which is about 45 minutes to an hour. Then we're going to make that cranberry glaze. Instead of Salt Bay, Ginger Bay. In a medium stock pot, add the cranberries, water, OJ sugar, ginger powder, orange zest. Bring that to a boil, then reduce to a simmer until the cranberries begin to break apart. Strain it off, remove the turkey at 145 degrees, coat it with a generous portion of that glaze. Back in the oven until it reaches 165. Creole style of cranberry turkey.